What a day. Outside right now, we're looking at cloudy skies. You can see it looks a little bit fuzzy here on our tower cam off the Discovery Center in downtown Springfield, and that's because of a little bit of very light fog, which has developed along the I-44 corridor. That's coming also with a little bit in the way of a light mist. Temperatures sitting at 36 degrees, and temperatures will likely drop a few more degrees. Check out the numbers today. We started off in the upper 50s. We ended up in the upper 60s late in the morning, and then afternoon, in the wake of that cold front after it moved through Springfield, temperatures just tumbled all the way down into the 40s by the end of the afternoon, and now into the middle 30s. And high temperatures, boy, we had 70 yesterday in Springfield. Today we got close at 68, but check out the numbers down to our southeast. Near record highs in West Plains and Mountain Home at 77 this afternoon. It's not feeling that warm right now, although we're still holding on to relatively mild conditions in Mountain Home where it's 53, but you can see the cold weather has enveloped most of the rest of the Ozarks. In fact, you get far enough north, you get into sub-freezing air where it's currently 28 in Clinton, 32 in Camdenton and Lake Ozark. And these numbers are about 20 to 30 degrees colder than 24 hours ago. And that's all compliments of that cold front. But don't worry, it looks like that cold front actually is going to have buyer's remorse and move back to the north. And that's going to bring warmer weather back to most of the Ozarks on Tuesday into Wednesday. The scene is a quiet one right now across the region. Again, in the wake of that cold front, we've got low cloudiness, which has spilled south all the way down to the state line. Looking at our overnight pattern, looks like that front will put on the brakes and then start to move back to the north by tomorrow morning. And as a result, we're likely going to find some very light fog, which we're already finding now along I-44. It'll become more widespread. And we'll also find the risk of maybe some patchy drizzle across the area. Temperatures the conditions as we slip into the afternoon will feature that cold front buckling to the north across southwest Missouri as an area of low pressure tries to develop here across southwest Missouri, and that will allow warmer weather to move back into southwest Missouri and northwest and north central Arkansas. I'm talking highs back in the 60s, maybe near 70 in places like Seligman and Cassville, down through Eureka Springs and Berryville. Here in Springfield, I think we'll top out in the low 60s, and by late afternoon, as the first in a series of upper level storms moves in and begins to interact with that front, we'll see some showers breaking out along and north of I-44. Here is our hour-by-hour forecast again for tonight. Cloudy skies, some patchy drizzle a possibility, especially closer to sunrise. We'll find that into the morning tomorrow. Otherwise, look for a cloudy day with rain breaking out north of I-44 as we work through late afternoon. Temperatures tonight will bottom out at about 34 in Springfield. Here's your Tuesday forecast. 37 at 7 o'clock. We're up to 50, though, by 11 o'clock, and it looks like an afternoon high of 61 degrees. So as quickly as the cold has come back, it's going to go away. You'll need that umbrella, I think, too, also by late afternoon, as we'll have that threat for showers. Take a look at the numbers across the region. I mean, there'll be a range. It looks like upper 40s to low 50s to the far north and also low to mid 50s to the far east. But southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas, it's going to feel like springtime again tomorrow afternoon. And that front will continue to wobble across the area through Wednesday. You can see that in our temperature profile right there. That is going to mean an unsettled pattern also for the area, as we're likely going to continue to find the threat of waves of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday night through Wednesday night and into Thursday morning before colder weather finally moves back in to stay. And that may result in a changeover on Thursday morning to a light mix before everything comes to an end. Temperatures will tumble also on Thursday from 42 at sunrise into the 20s during the afternoon. Looks like sunshine and 30 on Friday. And then over the weekend, we'll see our next threat at some light wintry precipitation trying to break out early Sunday before it changes over to rain.
All right, sounds good. Jamie, Viewers Club number?
Yeah, let's see it. And there it is. 139572 is tonight's number, and our jackpot stands at $200.
All right, thanks, Jamie.